Okay, folks, welcome to this week's index update from Magnetic Trading. So last week we were looking at a key breakout on the FTSE 100 above 63.26, and what we're going to do is we're going to review how we traded that in our professional fund, and how we updated our clients via our advisor program, which is basically any trade we take on our own proprietary fund, we update our clients via an app. So we're going to show you how we manage that. We're also going to be discussing the end of quarter. So it's end of quarter this week, and there's something that you want to be looking out for on your local ASX market. All right, let's delve into the charts on the FTSE 100 and have a look at this breakout above 63.26. Okay, here's the FTSE 100, and the index opens at 5. It opens at 5 p.m. Sydney time. So this is the open here on the 23rd of June. So last week it was a Tuesday, and that was the day that we actually pierced through 63.26. Now, we didn't actually get triggered into the trade. Now, the reason is, and it's something I want you to take away today, is that as a trader, we always have a trade plan, we always have a view on the market, but we always let the market confirm if we're right or wrong. As a trader, we often get it wrong. The market is always correct. So what we do is we take a view, but we let the market confirm if we're right or wrong. Now, how do we wait for the market to do that? Well, it's via price action. So this is all via price action, price moving up and down. Price tells you everything. You don't need to get into complicated indicators or anything like that. A raw price chart and experience in the market is all you need. So breakout trades, the same as Forex, often you'll see these fake out moves. So you'll see the market break these key levels, then reverse and stop people out. And this is exactly what's happened on the FTSE 100 last week. It's broken above 63.26. Now, why did we not get into this trade? So let's just have a look. So the market opens here. This is 8 o'clock UK time. Each of these movements I'm doing represents an hour. So this is a 5-minute chart. So this is 8 to 9 to here, then 9 to 10, and then 10 to 11, and then 11 to 12. What happens at 12 p.m. is we enter the lunchtime session. So lunchtime session is not the time to take a breakout trade. Why? Because there are less buy orders and sell orders going into the market, so there's a lower volume. So with breakout trades, you want there to be a lot of volume, lots of volatility coming into the market, and at lunchtime you're not going to get that. So during lunchtime, often you see these fake out moves, and that's exactly what happened. And we stood aside here, it broke above here, and then it came back down again. Now, if we look at our messages to our clients, this was the first one we issued via our Magnetic Advisor app to our clients. It's delivered on their phones. So we were saying 63.26, they all knew it was important. It's still not broken. So this is during the morning session. That's really when we wanted to see the breakout. When it does break, we should see 18 points of upside. However, we don't like taking a breakout trade going into the lunchtime session as the volume is lower. We'll therefore wait for the level 63.26 to break, and then we'll look for a pullback to buy. Okay. Key thing here is if we miss it, there's plenty of opportunity to get into a short-term trade the next day. So we're being patient here. We're not chasing the market. Even if we miss the breakout, by being a little bit cautious, there'll be a chance to get in into a buy the next day. So we then updated later on, and we basically waited for the lunchtime session to end, and we updated just after America opened. So America opened here Asian time at 8:30 in the evening. So we updated our clients at 8:40 We wanted to see the first 5 minutes of action to see what happened. Usually we don't take a trade in the afternoon because of America, but for this one we were happy. So we said buy, limit stop at 63.27, stop at 63.05, target 22 points. We then had a final message to say, look, if this is not cancelled within 1 hour, then UK time, so by 3:30 p.m. UK time, then just cancel it. So let's see. Let's have a look at the price action to see what happened. So this was the open of America here. Okay, this is the opening bar here. So we waited for America to open right here, and we wanted to see the first 5 minutes of action. We then told our clients to put a limit order in at 63, a stop limit order at 63.27. That means if price gets above 27, let me just put it on the chart, we're going to get long. You'll see that the market came back up. It just tested 63.26 again and then failed again, came off again. And of course that wasn't triggered within the hour, so we did not participate in this breakout. The market told us we were not correct to get into our view. And what happened later on, after the FTSE had closed, it came back up again, had another attempt to get above 63.26 as it was here, and then it's just dropped off. We're now trading at 61.44, so it's come off some 150 points. So the key message here, again, is have a view, but always let the market tell you if you're right or wrong. And that's how we managed it for our clients, and we avoided a sucker punch. We avoided getting into that market and on that breakout. Right, now this week is the end of quarter, so I'll just show you on the charts. We can see this is June, Monday 29th, but tomorrow, by the time you watch this video, it's going to be Tuesday, so 30th of June. It's the end of the quarter. Have a look at the last hour and a half of price action on the ASX. Every quarter we look for a sell-off signal in the last hour and a half on the ASX. Okay, the reason we do it is because every quarter often fund managers will be getting rid of old stocks in their portfolio, and they'll be looking to regain new stocks going into the next new quarter, the next day. So often you'll see profit taking and fund managers getting rid of these old stocks, and you can see the market sell off. So we'll be looking for a sell signal for our advisor clients. We'll be trading it in our portfolio if it triggers, but remember, we will be waiting for a signal from price action in the charts and letting the market tell us that we're correct, because we're taking the view that yes, most of the time the market will sell off in the last hour and a half of every quarter, but we do need a signal. Anyway, have a look at the last hour for an hour and see what happens, and we'll update you next week.